This will be practice number 3. I think we're gonna get a little better this time. These fields are a little bit overgrown. I mean, way too ripe, but I mean, you gotta practice. Like I've said in a whole lot of my other videos, a professional didn't know what he was doing the first time. So we're trying to get better every time we do this. So I did figure out though that it's better to spend more time on the tractor with the rake to where you can get bigger windrows. So I made the windrows bigger because the baler seems to do a whole lot better if the windrows are bigger and a little bit thicker, which I didn't know that because I had never done this before. So that's what we're doing today, getting it raked up. We'll see how it bales. I think we're getting better. You can check my other videos. I think we're getting better every time, and that's all you can ask for. We're learning. Here's try 3 or 4. New neighbor up here said I can cut this, keep them from bush hogging it. Obviously there's not just a whole lot, but we may do with what we have because we still need some practice. So I raked it up as thick as I could there. So far we kicked one bale out, and I know it's not near as thick as it should be going in there, but I did figure out on the other fields that if it's not as thick as it should be when you're picking it up, and I need to get over here, if I load the baler on the outside end, on the very outside over there, then it seems to make better bales, and I guess it's because it's packing it in there just like it had a whole bunch in it. So if I stay over to the left and let it go into the end, that seems to do better. So I mean, this is what I figured out just kind of on my own and trial and error here with the Massey Ferguson 124 baler. I'll let you know how it all ends up. So far we ain't missed a lick. We've only got 3 bales out, but you know, you gotta start somewhere. And remember, even a professional didn't know what he was doing the first time. Alright, I'm back. Like I said in the other video, man, this thing's kicking them out of there like a Pez suspension. I'm excited, big time. These here's a little bit done, a little bit thicker here. I made that turn and let that thing down. So these rows right here, look here where I doubled them up. May only have 4 rows in here. And then right over there's proof that boy over there is mine. Him and one other fella that I hired to help us here that's helping us out. So he's got over here and put the truck in 4-wheel low. Let's see if I can bale hay, drive a tractor and zoom in. And he just put the truck in 4-wheel low, good old Ford truck over there. And we call it old Whitey. And he's over here and just running, letting the truck drive itself. That's saving me some money right there, see? I like that. So, like I said, just doing the best we can with what we got. I'm super thankful and super proud. And I just feel really blessed to be able to do this right here. The next time I get to run this baler, we'll be in a field that me and my wife worked very hard for, and I'm very grateful to have the opportunity and blessing come along to where we could buy the piece of property next door to us. And the next time you see this thing running, it'll be on a piece of property that me and my wife own, with equipment we own, cutting down the oats and the wheat and whatever else grew up in there that we planted ourselves. That will be the first thing that Heritage Gait Farm ever did, and owned every piece of it that we did. Super grateful. This is so cool. May not be but about 40 or 50 bales, but that's 40 or 50 bales I didn't have. Thank you.